informational text features. I can understand and use various text features to locate key facts or information in a text. Can you identify the parts of a book? This book right here is talking about interesting facts about horses. This is the title. This is the cover. This is the picture. This is the author. And this is the illustrator. Text features gives us information in a non-fiction text. Text features makes the text and pictures easier to understand. Have you ever seen any of these text features below? Photograph, caption. Caption is usually at the bottom of a picture in a book. Bold text, words that are highlighted in bold. Diagram, which is a picture that shows description of things, such as this turtle here is pointing to the head, front leg, and the shell. Heading. The heading is usually under the title, and it might be what we are about to read. So again, headings are bold words that state what the paragraphs or sections will be about. Okay, so keep that in mind. Why text features are important. Have you ever wanted to know where something is in a book but didn't know where to look? Books explain a lot of information, and text features makes it easier to find the information. For example, if you're looking for a specific chapter in a book, then you can look in the table of contents. So the table of contents, it gives the topic headings and page numbers of information and topics. Different types of text features. There are many different types of text features that can help you find things in a book. A glossary helps you find the meaning of words and is located in the back of a book. A table of contents helps you find a specific chapter or topic in a book and is located in the front. Here's an example. So this is an example of a glossary. And you know this is a list of new or important words and their definition. And it's usually in ABC order. Okay? Table of contents. This is an example of the table of contents. And it gives the topic and headings and page numbers of information and topics. More types of text features. There are many different text features that can help you find information. Diagrams use labels to help you understand the text. Headings and subheadings help you understand what the text is about. Bold print helps you understand that the word is important. Here are a few examples. This is a diagram. It's a labeled picture that shows the part of something. So this is the labels. Here is the heading of Tiger Facts. So this is the heading, and then look, here's the bold print, and here's the next subheading. So it's the heading. The heading is what, this is the overall of what we're reading, we're about to read about Tiger Facts. And in the subheading, we'll talk about something else. So it has a subheading that says Tiger Facts as well. Draw lines to match the pictures to the text features. Instead of me drawing a line, I'm just going to put it here. This is a diagram. This is a glossary. This is bold print. And this is a caption. Remember, captions are always put underneath a picture. So they describe the photograph, what, when, and that type of information about a photograph, okay? Subheadings. This is an example of subheadings. Here we have horse gender, and here we have baby horses. So see, it's talking about something here that's totally different about horses down here. Here it's talking about the gender of the horse, and here it's talking about baby horses. So whenever we're talking about something different, we might just want to put another subheading because we're talking about something totally different, but still pertaining to the same topic, okay? Here are headings and titles. Horses. Here's an example of the table of contents. And this is just a photograph, okay? Identify the text features displayed below. The human body is made of many different parts. The skeleton is made of bones. The muscles and tendons give the body shape. The skin covers all of the body's organs. So this is an example of bold print. Let's look at the next one. Interesting facts about horses. Birth. Newborn horses can walk shortly after birth. Baby horses can walk just a few minutes after being born. Then we're talking about gender now. Horses are called different names depending on their gender. A female horse is called a mare. This is an example of a heading. All right. It's a picture of a dog. This is an example of a photograph. Okay, so I'm going to put the answers right here. And I'll put this answer here. This is an example of a heading. And this is an example of bold print. So I'll put it right here. That way you can see it. Okay. Listen to the passage and answer the questions. Ladybugs. The colors of a ladybug. Did you know that not all ladybugs are the same color? The most common ladybugs are red with black dots, but some are black and white and others are yellow and black. Ladybug life cycle. Did you know that ladybugs only live for about 1 year? The ladybug life cycle begins when bright yellow eggs are laid on branches near food sources. The eggs hatch in about 4 to 10 days. There's a picture here. And then at the bottom of the picture, it says, ladybugs lay eggs on branches near food sources. So the question number 1 says, can you name all the text features in the passage? Hint, there are 5 of them. So before I give you the answer, I'll give you a second to find the 5 that's in the text. Heading, subheading, bold print, caption, and photograph. Those are the 5. How did these text features help you understand the text? Discuss as a class. Listen to the passage and answer the questions. Butterfly life cycle. A butterfly starts its life as an egg. Next, the egg opens, and a caterpillar comes out. The caterpillar eats plants and grows. Then it makes a hard shell around its body called a chrysalis. While the caterpillar is inside of the chrysalis, it changes into a beautiful butterfly. And the caption underneath this, it says a chrysalis is the form of a caterpillar takes before it emerges from its cocoon. And here is a diagram of the life cycle of a butterfly. Questions. What does the word chrysalis mean? A hard shell. See, we can go back to the text here. It says a hard shell. Explain what you see in the diagram. We see eggs, we see a caterpillar, we see a chrysalis, and we see a butterfly. Sometimes people call the chrysalis just a cocoon. What is something you learned from the photograph? A butterfly is first a chrysalis. So we learned from the photograph over here. Read the passage and answer the questions. Animal sounds. Animal noises. There are a lot of different animal species. This means that there are a lot of different animal sounds. The sound a lion makes sounds like a very loud roar. However, the sound an elephant makes sounds different because elephants use their trunks to make a trumpet sound. Loud animals. Some animals are gifted with a loud voice like the lion. However, you may be surprised to learn about some other animals that are loud. The blue whale can generate loud whistling phone calls that makes it the loudest animal in the world. Questions. What does the image look like? It's a lion walking. What does the caption say? This is the caption. The caption says, lions make a loud roar sound. What words are in bold? These are our bold words right here. Species, trunks, and blue whale. What is the heading? We got animal sounds for the heading. What is our subheadings? Well, we have animal noises and we have loud animals. What do the labels say? Tusk, trunk, and head, which is all an example of a diagram. What text feature is shown? Dogs can listen to commands. You said caption, you are correct. What is the heading? If you said reindeer is the heading, you are correct. What did you learn from the caption? Hooves help reindeer walk. What is the subheading? Reindeer habitats. This is the subheading. What does tundra mean? Large area without trees. What chapter begins on page 4? Chapter 2. The groundhog shadow. You said that, you are correct. How many chapters are in the book? You said 4, you are correct. What is chapter 2 called? The groundhog shadow. What chapter would you go to if you wanted to learn about seasons? Chapter 4.